How to disable WhatsApp calls. So to do that, what you can firstly do is go on the settings of your phone. After you go on the settings of your phone, scroll down, tap on app management. So simply open WhatsApp on your settings. You can directly open WhatsApp without going on app management as well. So make sure you have opened WhatsApp and all of these things will be shown. And from here, click on manage notifications. Scroll down and down. Tap on silent notification, disable it. Tap on other notifications, disable it. And tap on ringtone notification bar and others, and you can also disable it. After that, tap on message notifications and disable it. Now, tap on allow notification, disable it. Now simply go on WhatsApp. Go on the three vertical dots right here, tap on settings, tap on notifications, scroll down and down. Make sure you have it in vibrate or you should turn it just off. And the next thing is make this reaction notification off. And now conversation play sounds for incoming and outgoing messages. So disable this and turn the reaction notifications also off. And after doing this all, you will no more get the sound of calls, and yes, you will not know if someone is calling you from your WhatsApp, and your phone won't be hang and you won't be disturbed by this. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.